In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a gaming headset on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to go over the two main types of headsets that you can use with a PlayStation 4, meaning wired gaming headsets and wireless gaming headsets. Each of these will have their own connection method, and here's how you can connect each of those. For the wired gaming headset, which I believe is going to be what the majority of you are using, all that you have to do is plug the 3.5mm jack of your headset into the headphone jack on the bottom of your DualShock 4 controller. So as you can see on screen now, the headphone jack is going to be available on the default model of the DualShock 4. All that you have to do, of course, is plug the 3.5mm jack of your gaming headset in there. Of course, if your gaming headset uses a different connection, then you will have to find if the PlayStation 4 has support for that specific connection, but like I said, for the majority of people in gaming headsets made for the PlayStation 4, this is how you are going to connect them. As soon as it is connected, it should be good to go. However, you can also go into the settings of your PlayStation 4, access the Sound and Devices category, and choose Audio Devices, where you can make sure that both the input device and the output device are set to the headset connected to the controller. The input device refers to the microphone, so how you will be able to be heard by other people in game, and the output device refers to the actual pair of headphones, meaning how you will be able to hear the sound coming in from your PlayStation 4. You can also go to output the headphones and choose all audio, or set it to only the chat audio. That way, the game audio can come through your TV or any other speakers that you have. For wireless headsets, there will be two main ways. You can either use a USB dongle that came along with your headset, and you will be able to plug the USB dongle into one of the available ports and then put the pair of headphones into pairing mode, or alternatively, you can just connect them over Bluetooth without a USB dongle. Just go over to Settings, Devices, and then Bluetooth Devices, and you will be able to pair it over there once your gaming headset is set to pairing mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a gaming headset on the PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.